Hello kids, welcome to yammukidstv. Learn some colors. Kids, happy face, smiling, yellow color hands. Okay kids, please subscribe my channel kids. Please subscribe and share. Okay, learn some colors. First, red color, red color, brown color, pink color, yellow, and sky blue, and green color, and blue color, and orange color. Okay, beach house coloring with sand and frog. Okay, first frog coloring red color, frog color, red color, super coloring red, super coloring color, red color, then sand coloring brown color, brown and yellow pencil coloring, sand coloring brown color, super coloring sand coloring super coloring sand and light yellow color mixing brown and yellow super coloring super. Okay, then house coloring sun yellow color, which color yellow, super yellow, which color kids yellow color, and then orange outline, orange, then green color coconut, green color coconut leaf coloring green, which color green color coconut leaf coloring green, super coloring which color green color super coloring green color coloring. Green, dark green outline, dark green outlines. Then brown color, tree coloring, brown color, brown color, super coloring, super brown color. Then pink color, house coloring, pink color, pink color, pink color, super coloring, pink. Then sky blue color, house coloring, sky blue, super coloring, sky blue color house, super house, sky blue. Finish the coloring, super coloring. Okay, finish, super coloring. Then again sky blue. Okay, kids, sky blue color, house coloring. Then orange color, door coloring, orange color, orange color. Then window coloring, blue, dark blue color, super. Then golden, finally golden color. Finish the coloring. Okay kids, please subscribe my